Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 12.6 homework for pre-algebra math today. And for 12.6 homework, you got 112 points for your homework sheet. Name, date, period here, students' due date for my onliners, homeschoolers, put that here. Page 1 of 12.6 homework. Number 1, describe the shape of the graph of a quadratic function. Do that here. Number 2, copy and complete the graph of a quadratic function with a maximum value opens blank and put your response there. And then down here, make a table of values for these given functions. Here's your table here. So when x equals something, y equals what? And do that on each one of these here. And you got 9 points here for page 1. Page 2, make a table of values for the given function, then graph these functions. So graph over here, this can go there, and this graph can go over here. So graph each one of these after you fill out your table for these functions. 24 points here for page 2. 24 points. And then page 3 here, tell whether the function has a max or a min value for these quadratics. And then you have a word problem here. What is the approximate length of a rainbow trout with a mass of 600 grams? You're using this function here. And then do your work down here for number 12. And you got 10 points here for page 3. Page 4, use a graphing calculator to graph the function. So that goes back to the previous of the rainbow trout problem. Graph that function here, then fill in your table for that function. Then number 2, use trace to find the approximate x value when y equals 600 for each of these functions here. Here's your table. So when y equals 600, what does x equal here? So that's up to you. 18 points here, page 4. Page 5, you have do the same thing here for 15 through 19. Make a table of values for these here. 15 points for page 5. Page 6, continuing from previous here. And then match the function with its graph. You have these functions here. Match these functions with these graphs up here. And you got 12 points here on page 6. Page 7, make a table of values for the given functions here. And then graph the function. So this can go here, that can go over there, and this can go down here. And you got, for page 7, you got 24 points for page 7. So, and that was your homework for 12.6 Pre-Algebra Math. Animated PowerPoint math video at AOL.com for questions or course materials. Thank you very much.